Hey everybody, today I'm going to be making some homemade chocolate chips. This is my husband's Nana's recipe. For that we're going to be using 2.5 cups of sifted flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, chocolate chips. Now I'm going to be splitting the recipe and I'm going to do half chocolate chips and half peanut butter, 1 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so you put your eggs, your butter, and your brown sugar in your mixer and you mix that good. Okay, so while that's mixing, you get a teaspoon of hot water and you put that in with your baking soda and you give that a good mix in. Okay, so you add your baking soda and your water to your mixture. Then you add your vanilla. And then you add your flour and you mix that all up. Now don't forget, when you're mixing your mixture, don't forget to scrape your sides down. Okay, so now this is where you split your batches in half unless you want to make all chocolate chip. If you want to make all chocolate chip, then you add a handful or whatever, how many chocolate chips you want to add in at this point. Otherwise, you split it in half, you add your peanut butter in. I'm going to put about a half a cup of peanut butter in my half of the batter. And then I'm going to put chocolate chip in the other half of the batter. Okay, so I got half in there and half in there. I'm going to put my peanut butter in that one, and I'm going to put my chocolate chips in that one. While you're doing that, preheat your oven to 375. Okay, so there's my peanut butter one. There's my chocolate chip one. And you get a pan. You don't have to spray it with anything because there's enough butter in there. You just drop them by the spoonfuls. You put them in your preheated 375-degree oven for about 10 minutes and just check them and make sure they're done. Okay, so for my peanut butter cookies, what I did is I just dropped them on like my chocolate chip, but then I got a fork and I went this way and this way just to give them a little bit of decoration. Okay, so I had to leave some of my cookies in a little bit longer than 10 minutes, so just check yours, and when the bottoms are brown and they look like they're done, take them out. So I hope y'all enjoy, and from our house to yours, Merry Christmas and have a happy and safe New Year.